Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 19th of January 2021, after holiday. So, market is bad, continue to drop. Before we start, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out what is going on in the market. Check KLCI. So KLCI dropped 14 points. Continue to drop, as I said. Okay, coming back to 1525. 1525. This also is a double top. Looks like double top already starting to form. Double top. Okay, looks like probably. Let me see how far it will drop. Neckline to top. Okay, looks like even lower than 1005. Possible drop until here. So big drop expected 1,400 to 1,483 to 1,005. So this one, hopefully these 2 days it can hold. It can rebound. Hopefully it can rebound here. Okay, if it cannot rebound here, okay, if it drop below, looks like coming back to 1,005 or slightly below 1,005. That's why I said, and RSI also below 50 already. That's why I said short term stock. Okay, if it reverse, turning around a few percent, maybe you're out first, or take profit first, or you're out first, Okay, look at today. What's going on with the market? BURSA sentiment 27, gainers 225, losers 611. Wow, a lot, very big. So volume very small, 1.5. Drop 14.3, 0.93%, 1528. So everything dropped. Consumer drop 0.77, industry drop 0.53, construction drop 0.77, technology another big drop. Technology 3.12, finance drop 1.77, property drop finance drop 1.7, so big drop today. Finance property drop 0.6, plantation up 0.27, RET drop 0.42, energy today up 1.61, healthcare drop 0.51, telecommunication drop 0.39, transportation up 0.8, 0.04. Wow, utilities drop 0.8, very big drop. Utilities very big drop. So today very bad day. Let's check out what are any gainers, top gainers. Okay, top gainers complete continue to go. Complete very strong. Complete. Let me see. Wow, complete continue to go. This one unexpected. Because we got a big sell down candle over here. This looks like want to go down, but looks like it broke through. Looks like want to go some more. This one cannot chase. This one is too much chasing high. So this one I'm not chasing also. It's too chasing high. Okay, if you're still holding, still can hold. But this one unable to chase. It's go too far already. Too fast, too far. Unable to chase. So what else? We got Hatta today, big volume 3.0, and Heng Yuan. Take a look at Hatta. Okay, look like some rebound. Rebound at 50 Hatta. Look like maybe got some momentum, go back up a bit. Maybe got some momentum, come back here to here 6.2. Hatta still got some support over here. But not very clean to play. Long term maybe still got some momentum, but I'm not keen to play this one. Heng Yuan. and you continue to go. Okay, so oil is still okay. So we are, last week we look at the big picture, right? Oil is still okay. Oil is still quite strong, holding quite strong. So oil stock still can keep. Have to watch out the oil price. As I said, oil price around for 84, 83, 84, 85 still okay. Okay, so the oil stock still can hold. If the once this oil drop below 80, you have to be careful. This one might start to drop. So other than that, what else? MSC, SCIB. Wow, today SCIB big gain. Wow, look at that. So SCIB, what happened? Something is wrong here. Something. Oh, SIB suspended. So now suddenly open back. I think so. SIB suspended, right? If not mistaken, right? You see here got no trade, no trade. Then suddenly open back. I'm not sure this one. SIB. I think got suspended. Now suddenly open. Now suddenly activate back. Now suddenly big push up. Now come back down. Better don't play this one. I don't know if you want to try lottery, maybe can try this one. Maybe can get lottery or maybe can lose a lot of money. This one I'm not too sure. This one what's going on. Dialogue. See what happened to dialogue. Dialogue big drop already. This one very dangerous. Better don't go in. Really big drop already. Dialogue still not very good, but not very solid. DNext today big push from DNext. DNext is not so affected because DNext is not semiconductor, not totally semiconductor. So DNext is not so bad. So DNext today got big push out. So DNext still okay DNext still hold still can hold DNext still can hold. Next target now the first target is 90 cents. Second target is 1 ringgit. What else? DNext still okay. SNC don't play this one. Young SCIB also big push. K Power also got some push today. K Power. So looks like after this Dato Abdul Karim exit K Power, so K Power starting to have some minor push But this one is gambling This one is gambling This one is play the big small casino genting. So you want to try your luck, maybe can try But this one is no fundamental, no chart analysis can tell you what is going on. This one just let you know. But this is purely on this goring how this how this market want to goring this news Okay, Dayang already start to rebound from 0.93 above, rebound 0.93 So I think starting bullish. This one pick a little bit, maybe can Dayang That day really pick a bit. Now come back down. Now go back up. Looks like force. Now look like got supported 0.93. Dayang maybe short term can play a little bit. Dayang maybe here to here maybe can here to 1.0. Look at 1.0 first. But the important one big count is 1.0. So this one pick a little bottom. Maybe the actual the more important area resistance is this one 1.0. If you can go through 1.0, it's better. Okay, so that's it for the morning. Not too much happening. Okay, I'll get back to you in later. Bye bye.